there's a lot of really important settings to get into. So we've got home figured out. Orders, that's going to be whenever somebody places an order on your site, you'll be seeing the orders right here. So if you're picking the orders, you'll be able to fulfill them on your own. If you have somebody else picking orders, you can export this and have them pick them. Or if you have, for example, a drop shipping setup or print on demand, any apps that you connect, ZenDrop, Gelato, Printful, Printify, whatever, those all connect here and that'll automatically, send your order over, but you can still see them here so that, if somebody calls you and they're like, hey, I have this order, what's going on? You can check on the status right here. Similarly, I'm going to skip products and go down to customers. Anybody who calls you with customer service, you can see who the customer is, when they purchase, some basic customer details down here. In products, I know I already talked about the products and the gift cards, but in between we have a couple things in here. One is going to be transfer. So if you have multiple sites and you're sending inventory from one to the other, you could track that inventory transfer right here. I think a lot of startup stores probably won't have that, but as you scale, again, Shopify can scale with you, and that's one of the benefits, just knowing where that is. Purchase orders, I'm not going to talk about that right now. Inventory, we talked about that. So if you go and get 100 more of these, you can go and say, adjust what this actually is right here as you restock. And of course, collections. This is the one that I actually wanted to show you right here. We have the homepage collection, but if I want to make a new collection, there's two main ways you can do it. You can manually do it, as you see right there, manual collection, or you can create a smart collection. Now, the smart collection can be based on several different conditions that are either met as all of them or met as any of them. So an and or an or, if you do any kind of coding, that's the logic we're tracking right here. So you could say, all right, maybe I want anything that is not tag, but maybe you could say weight is greater than 1 pound, and it also has to be something that is inventory stock is equal to 5. I don't know. It's like way too specific. That would never actually apply, but you could say anything in this. But maybe your collection, for example, would be like, let's say under $100 free shipping. Under $100 free shipping. And maybe we have free shipping for everything that is greater than 1 pound. And we could say price is less than $100. And now we have that made up right there. So if I say save on this one, I'll say save, and it should automatically collect, all right, anything that's under 5 pounds and under $100, that will be, you can see those two products right there, automatically show up in this.